Today is Wednesday, 5 o'clock New Zealand time. Gonna be having school Christmas on the Field here in Hatay School, Papamoa. Look around there. Mag-enjoy din ang mga bata ron. Mag-enjoy ang mga bata. Unya mo sayo sila Erin. Mag-enjoy din ang mga bata ron. They gonna be having so much fun today. Ay mga food stalls. Ngay mga baligya nga kuan, mga chips, mga foods, drinks. Looks fun. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's happening here in Hatay Christmas on the Field School, Hatay School Christmas on the Field. I have some food stool. It's getting cold. It's summer, but it's getting cold. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Ay mga long line, nag-line up sila sa pagkaon. Diri chips, diri drinks, may mga food stall. Lots of people. Shave ice.
Mom, can I go on that ride later?
Later na magsayaw sa ka. Erin! Nak! Erin! Ang anak ko di maminaw. Ali ragod! Ali ragod! Erin! Money shapes nga patok kay sa mga bata. Money siya. Tag 450 ang cups. Tag 450 ang cups.
Can I have $5, please?
Nak,
Buy something, please. Sorry, I'm screaming. Please.
bago ra man ka nagkaon.
Bro, that was a few.
Mag-careful unta ba kay you gonna dance pa?
That's in 1 hour.
You gonna be dancing.
That's in 1 hour.
Ganyan. Mag-ingat unta.
Thank you. Yes, let's go.
Dili magkiat ba? Iren. Nasa hit caravan. Line queue. Fresh donuts. Fresh donuts here. Fresh donuts. are queuing too. May coffee. Coffee. I think it started now. By year one, start to year one, year zero.
Way to go, Cornwall. Let's give a great ovation. What a great start to our show tonight, ladies and gentlemen. That was absolutely magnificent from our youngest members of our school. Thanks so much to all the pupils and their wonderful staff. What a performance. Back to Nicola Hall from our little ones. Let's give them another rousing assent.
Some are selling plants, some hot dogs. I think that's it for now. I hope you enjoy watching. Later on, mag-vlog ko kay Sayo akong anak. Maghakawaka na sila. After this, ako sang i-post. Tanaw mo og cultural dance diri sa New Zealand. Hakawaka, it's their cultural dance. New Zealand cultural dance. Picnic ang uban while watching for the entertainment. Dirito sa taas para makita nato. Sana puno ang parking. Hakawaka ang next. Yung kay tao. Yung mga food stalls. Dugay man ang hakawaka. They're gonna be dancing Hakawaka cultural dance sa Maori. Gaya ay paman, dugay man. So hope you enjoy watching. Have a blessed Wednesday everyone. Keep safe. Bye.